today we're at the M60 Modified meet in Trafford.
Don't lie!
Integra Type R, parked right at the front. Can't beat one of these. RX-7, very nice. It's actually got the M60 Modified in the back as well. Classic interior.
Exactly!
Sadly not got his eyes open. This must catch attention, look at that. Focus RS. Stunning. Another MX-5 there. Sadly not got his eyes open. Another MX-5 here. Very nice. Back to the Focus RS though. Very, very nice. Civic, but not a Type R. Still very nice. Check that out, VXR, sorry. Cool. It's a matte black. Sort of asset. Nice wheel on that. Very nice. The cool reg on it as well. This Fiesta's got a black box fitted. Nice red interior on the black. Very nice. Big fan of these. That lovely turbo. F87 M2. Personally, big fan of these. Very nice. The socials, Top Gear stock, but seen them before. Z3. Classic, pure black interior. GTI. Very nice carbon. Can't beat carbon on a car like this. Let's take a look at the rear, see if it's got anything interesting. Oh, pretty cool. Integra Type R. Cool reg there, I'm not sure where that's from, but nice interior. I think the interiors, stock interiors on them are really nice. Very cool. Bit of a 90s. Very cool. Don't see many of them around. Same with this. Some of this here. Pretty nice. Yeah, I was calling that old GTI. 350Z. Look at that. Lovely interior. Got the fitment as well. Very, very nice fitment. Look at that. Big Z logo on the back. Very cool. Look at that. Sick. Z on the steering wheel. Very cool. Fitment at the front's very nice. C63. Look at that. Personally, a huge fan of these. 6.3 litres. Absolute monster. Look at that. Let's go to Fabia VRS. Reeky diesel. Pretty fast for a diesel, to be fair. M235i. Very nice. Heard this on the bypass one time. Very loud, especially with the pops and bangs. They're usually on the 2 series and 1 series, to be fair. Very nice. This is Sam's M235i. Old Volkswagen Scirocco. Look at that. White wheels. Very nice. We've changed a lot from this to the modern version. I must say I do like this version more. It's got more style, I'd say. Yeah, Jap import. Very cool. Awesome. Sick. You don't really see many of these about. like I said before, they're quite rare. Very cool. That little rider on that. Very nice. Mainly used in Japan. Don't really see much of these about. Very cool. MX5. And this MX5 actually has got its lids open, which is pretty cool. Or eyes open. Very nice. Sort of a cheese. This K20's getting very close. Look at that. JDM. Very cool.
You know where your back window is? That's the back of your car.
This is very Jap drift car. Have a look at the fitment on that. Jeez. Look at that. It's in a bath, but it's obviously lowered. I've not seen one like this before. It's got sort of a wide body sort of thing on there. Sick. Also having Lupo with a rear seat delete, which is questionable for one of these. Very, very nice. Once again, you don't see many of these anymore. The 90s. Very cool. Classic interior as well. Some people say it's a bit bland, but sort of suits the car really, you can say. Nissan Silvia. Highly modified. Seen this a few weeks before, it's actually really nice. It's very cool. Just look at that, the exhaust. Nice quote on there as well. Very cool. JDM Jam. Big fan of this personally. Great touring. Not sure if it's modified. Very nice. Big fan of these. Very cool. 4x M3 as well. Look at that. Old M3 versus newer M3. Very cool. M3 UMB. GI Yaris. Very cool. Very big fan of these. I think they're so underrated. Look at this. A huge wing. Very big fan of this. G82 M4. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.